The best desserts are sometimes the easiest ones to make, and today's recipe is easy enough for kids to make. Plus, it's the perfect summertime treat. The kitchen is now open, so come on in. Let's whip up something good.
Yay!
There are only 4 basic steps to making strawberry cheesecake banana fluff. The first step is to make the fluff. For step 1, I start with one 12-ounce container of frozen whipped topping that's been thawed either overnight in the fridge or for 30 minutes on the countertop, and add 3 6-ounce containers of strawberry yogurt and mix until well combined. Then I add one 3-ounce package of cheesecake pudding mix and stir thoroughly. For step 2, I cover the bowl and simply put my fluff in the fridge for about an hour to let it chill and thicken up. The last 2 steps of this recipe are going to depend on you and when you want to serve your dessert. Do these about 30 minutes before serving so that everything stays fresh, tasty, and pretty. Step 3 is to prepare my fruit. I rinse and core 1 pound of fresh strawberries. And by the way, check out the straw technique where I use a rigid plastic straw to push up through the bottom of the berry and pop the stem right out, leaving the berry intact. Then I just slice it in an egg slicer and pat them dry on a paper towel to remove excess moisture. Next, I peel and cut 4 ripe bananas into quarters and use the egg slicer on them too. This way, both the strawberries and bananas are a uniform thickness. Finally, for step 4, I mix 2 cups of mini marshmallows into my fluff, and then I add my bananas, separating the slices so they're not clumped together, and fold them in gently so they don't break apart. Then I stir in my strawberries, cover my bowl with plastic wrap, and pop the whole thing into the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld a bit. Now don't let it sit in the fridge for more than a few hours. Your bananas will turn brown, and that's just nasty. You can make simple desserts special by serving them in unique or fun bowls, and thrift stores or estate sales are a gold mine for that kind of stuff. Then finish your dessert with a bit of garnish and enjoy. It's light, it's sweet, it's cool and refreshing. This strawberry cheesecake banana fluff, some people say it's a salad, but I don't think so, is easy to make and it is way easy to eat. You are gonna love it. It's just one more example of great home cooking made easy.
Oh, so sad.